outside, Grandpa.
And what are we going to do when we go outside?
I want to put on the shoes.
You did put
You want
on
me
your
to put on
shoes.
shoes? No, he wants me to put on my shoes.
Oh.
What do you want to do,
And then
Jeremy?
what are we going to do?
I want to go outside. Truck.
A truck? You're going to truck outside?
Yeah.
Where are you going to take your truck?
I want to go outside.
Are you sure?
Do you like going
Yeah.
outside?
Who's going to open the door?
Grandma.
Who's going to take you outside?
Grandma.
Which grandma?
This one, Grandma.
Jeremy, say you want to go outside and
I guess I'm out
play.
of a job.
I want to go outside.
And play.
Do you want to play or work?
I want to play.
You want to play? Where do you want to play?
I want to play truck outside.
Maybe you should ask Great Papa if he'll let you ride the tractor.
You guys are wasting too much time. Right?
Jeremy, do you want to ride Papa's tractor?
Now he's going to work on me.
You want to ride Papa's tractor?
No.
What do you want to do?
I want to go outside. Grandma.
Oh, okay. I guess we better let him out.
Okay.
I want to go outside.
Put your shoes on, Grandma.
I want to go outside. Grandma.
Okay.
Okay. Bye bye.